Sri Lanka's coastline boasts an array of breathtaking beaches, each offering unique charm and natural beauty. Among these, Wennappuwa Beach stands out as a coastal gem that encapsulates the essence of the island's coastal splendor. Located on the western coast, Wennappuwa Beach is a serene stretch of golden sands, fringed by swaying palm trees and caressed by the gentle waves of the Indian Ocean. Wennappuwa Beach presents a tranquil escape for both locals and tourists seeking respite from the bustle of everyday life. Its serene ambience invites visitors to unwind, whether it's by taking leisurely strolls along the shore, basking in the sun's warm embrace, or indulging in water sports that the beach offers. The beach's calm waters are ideal for swimming and wading, making it an inviting destination for families. Beyond its natural allure, Wennappuwa Beach also holds cultural significance. The nearby Wennappuwa town provides a glimpse into local life, and its proximity to historic sites such as the St. Anne's Church adds a layer of cultural exploration to the beach experience. In conclusion, Wennappuwa Beach encapsulates the essence of Sri Lanka's coastal magnificence. Its tranquil atmosphere, picturesque surroundings, and cultural richness make it a standout destination for those seeking an authentic and rejuvenating beach getaway. With its blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage, Wennappuwa Beach stands as a testament to the allure of Sri Lanka's coastal treasures. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.